travelers and food lovers. Welcome back to the Traveling Chef. I'm Chef Steve. Today we're going to create a monster sandwich. New York's known for two great things, which is pizza and Italian sub. So today we're going to make a pizza sub using all fantastic items such as Italian meats, Italian cheeses, red wine vinegar, olive oil, and Italian dressing. So we're going to use all of those great ingredients and instead of using bread, we're going to use a pizza crust. So let's get. Once the pizza crust has been lightly toasted, I put a little bit of olive oil on it, and then I layer it with all the meats, the cheeses, some sliced onions, sliced tomatoes, and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. If you've enjoyed this video, we sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe and like below. We're a new channel, so we would appreciate it.